Om Sakti. Guruvadi Saranam, Tiruvadi Saranam. God is thought of by most of the religions of the world as male. For example, Michelangelo has painted the creation of Adam by God, with God depicted as an old man. Only in India is God still worshipped as female to any significant extent. Almost every village has a shrine dedicated to the village goddess. Navaratri is the most important festival in the worship of the goddess in India. Mother Adiparasakti has incarnated in the form of Guru Bangaru Adigalar in Melmaruvattur. Melmaruvattur Siddhar Peedam is dedicated to Mother Adiparasakti. The many festivals throughout the year are all in her honor. Navaratri is special to the goddess, celebrating the occasion when only God as female could defeat evil personified in the demon Mahishasura. Women have historically been given a subservient role in society in all spheres, including religion. Even where the goddess is worshipped as in India, it is mainly male priests who perform all the important rituals. It is only in Melmaruvattur Siddhar Peedam that women take the lead in all aspects of the worship of Mother Adiparasakti and in the organization. During Navaratri, there are 4 things that have to be done every day. The tending of the continuously burning lamp or Aganda Vilakku, the applying of various substances to the Swayambhu or Kaappu, the decoration of the Murti of Mother Adiparasakti or Alankaram, and the continuous recitation of prayers, Laksharchanai. Women take the lead in all these activities. The importance that is given to the female is different in emphasis from that of modern feminism. Modern feminism claims that there is no great difference between male and female, that there are only insignificant biological differences, and that gender is a social construct. But in Melmaruvattur Siddhar Peedam, it is recognized that there is something special in the female. In an oracle, Mother Adiparasakti has said in Tamil, Sivanukku oru rathiri, adu Sivaratiri. Saktikku 9 ராத்திரி, அது நவராத்திரி. இந்த நவராத்திரியில் பெண்களுக்கு முக்கியத்துவம் உண்டு. It can be understood in English as there is only one night dedicated to the god Shiva, which is the festival of Sivaratri, but there are 9 nights dedicated to the goddess Shakti, which is the festival of Navaratri. And this is a festival in which women are important. As we celebrate Navaratri and worship Mother Adiparasakti, let us also keep in mind and honor the female. Om Sakti. Guruvadi Saranam, Tiruvadi Saranam.
ஓம் சக்தி. தொடர்ந்து நம் அம்மாவின் காணொளிகளை காண அனைவரும் நம் ஓம் சக்தி சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யவும், தவறாமல் பெல் பட்டன் கிளிக் செய்யவும். அம்மாவின் ஆன்மீக காணொளிகளைக் கண்டு அம்மாவின் அருளாசியை பெறுவோம். ஓம் சக்தி.
என்ன தவம் யான் செய்தே